WortX Ureteral access sheath with suction is used during kidney stone removal procedures, providing easy access to kidney while continuously suctioning fluid and stone debris. The set contains flexible ureteral access sheath, a silicone connecting tube and 200 ml stone collection bottle. The numeric length markings are for accurate placement and easy identification. The tapered tip design enables smoother entry, reducing insertion force. The stone collection bottle has a suction vent for integrated suction, for continuous removal of fluids and debris, enhancing visibility and shortening procedure time. The airtight seal is for ensuring effective suction throughout the procedure. The graduated markings are for measuring the volume of the fluid, and its built-in filter prevents it from entering the suction machine. Connect the silicone tubing securely to the suction port on WortX. Ensure the connection is firmly seated. Attach the opposite end of the tubing to the inlet of the stone collection bottle. Connect the pointed port to the suction machine. Use saline solution to activate the hydrophilic coating through the complete length of the guide wire. Introduce a hydrophilic guide wire into the urinary tract and advance it up to the kidney. The entire sheath is moistened with sterile solution for 30 to 60 seconds to activate hydrophilic coating, enabling easy insertion and minimizing ureteral trauma. Advance WortX over the guide wire until it reaches the desired position. Once the sheath is correctly positioned, remove the dilator while leaving the sheath in place. Introduce the flexible ureteroscope through WortX and advance it to the target location for intended procedure. The laser fiber is introduced through the device for laser lithotripsy. The integrated suction system continuously evacuates irrigation fluid, blood, stone dust, and small stone fragments, thereby maintaining a clear visual field and helping to reduce intrarenal pressure. The aspirated material passes into the collection bottle, where the integrated filter retains the stone fragments while protecting the suction system from blockage. The suction can be adjusted using the airtight seal on the suction control port. Pulling the hub upward activates the suction. Pulling the hub downward restricts the suction flow. After the procedure is complete, carefully remove the ureteroscope and withdraw WortX according to physician's preference. WortX Ureteral Access Sheath is a sterile, single-use device. Dispose of the sheath, tubing and collection bottle in accordance with hospital policy and local biomedical waste regulations. Do not reuse or resterilize the device.